Welcome back to Hello English Podcast. I'm Helen.
And I'm John. Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. Still half asleep, but happy to be here.
That's perfect because today's topic is exactly that, mornings.
Yes, morning routine in English. We'll talk about how to start the day with simple, real-life English. Words, phrases, and small conversations you can use every morning. Let's start from the beginning, waking up. In English, we don't say, I open my eyes. We say, I wake up. Repeat after us. I wake up.
I wake up. And when you get out of bed, you can say, I get up. These are two different verbs. Wake up means open your eyes. Get up means stand up. Sometimes they are the same moment, sometimes an hour later.
Exactly. I wake up at 7, but I get up at 8.
That's me on weekends.
Here are a few morning phrases to practice. Good morning. How did you sleep? I slept well, thank you. I'm still sleepy. I'm wide awake.
And when you see your family or friends, try to use these short greetings. They're simple, but they build your English habit from the first minute of the day.
That's right. Morning English starts before coffee.
But coffee helps.
Yes, it does. So let's go to the next part of the routine, getting ready. You can say, I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a shower. Let's repeat. I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a shower.
You can add feelings. The water is cold, or the water feels good.
That's a nice one. Feels good. You can use it with many things. The sun feels good. This coffee feels good.
And after the shower comes the mirror talk.
Yes, many English learners practice here. Look at yourself and say, Good morning, me. It sounds funny, but it's real training for your English brain. You can describe what you see. I look tired. My hair is messy. I need coffee. Or something positive. I look fresh today. I'm ready for the day. All these short sentences help your brain think directly in English. Let's continue with getting dressed. You can say, I put on my shirt. I put on my jeans. I wear a sweater. Remember, we say put on when you move clothes onto your body. And wear means you already have them on. Example, I'm putting on my shirt. Now I'm wearing my shirt.
Perfect explanation.
Thank you, John.
After that, breakfast time. My favorite part of the morning.
Same here. Let's teach some breakfast words. Breakfast in English can be simple. Toast, eggs, fruit, coffee, tea, juice. And you can describe what you eat. I have coffee and toast. I eat fruit for breakfast. I drink orange juice. You can add small details. My coffee is hot. My toast is crispy. My orange juice is cold.
That's great practice. It teaches adjectives in simple structure. My plus noun plus is plus adjective.
Let's make a small morning conversation. Ready? Good morning, John.
Good morning, Helen. How did you sleep?
I slept well, thanks. And you?
Pretty good, just a little sleepy.
Coffee?
Yes, please. Strong.
That's exactly how real English sounds at home. Short, natural, kind.
You can also talk about plans for the day. I have work today. I have class this morning. I start at 9. I'm meeting a friend. Or, I'm working from home. Small sentences help you connect your English with real life.
Here's something very helpful. Verbs for morning actions. Listen and repeat with us. Wake up, get up, stretch, brush your teeth, wash your face, take a shower, get dressed, make breakfast, drink coffee, go to work, drive to school, catch the bus, start the day. All everyday verbs. Short, active, alive.
I like that. Alive verbs. They make your English move. And you can join them with time expressions at 7, at 7:30, at 8 o'clock. For example, I wake up at 7. I have breakfast at 8. I start work at 9. If you want to sound more natural, you can add adverbs. Usually, sometimes, always, never. For example, I usually wake up early. I sometimes skip breakfast. I never drink coffee at night.
Excellent! That's real English flow. Let's play a quick mini game. I'll say a situation, you say the English sentence.
Okay, let's do it. You open your eyes in the morning.
I wake up.
You leave your bed.
I get up.
You go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
You put on your clothes.
I get dressed.
You eat eggs and toast.
I have breakfast.
You leave the house.
I go to work.
Perfect. That's a simple exercise anyone can do alone at home.
Yes, and it really helps build automatic thinking in English. You can even make it part of your own morning routine. While you do things, just say them. I make coffee. I drink coffee. I check my phone. I open the window. I see the sky. And you can describe what you feel. The air is cool. The light is soft. I feel calm.
It sounds like meditation in English. Exactly. English mindfulness.
Let's add some nice motivational lines people can say in the morning. I can do this. Today is a new day. I feel positive. I'm grateful for this morning. I'm ready to start. These are simple, but very powerful. Words create mood.
Yes, words shape the day. When you start with kind English, your mind follows that rhythm.
That's true. That feels good.
Okay, let's talk about some polite phrases you can use with family or roommates in the morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Would you like some coffee? Breakfast is ready. Could you pass the milk, please? Thank you. You're welcome. Have a nice day. These are friendly and polite. They make mornings warmer.
I love have a nice day. It's simple and full of good energy.
Yes, it's one of the most common morning expressions, and you can vary it. Have a good day. Have a great day. Enjoy your day. Or when someone leaves for work or school, you can say, see you later. Take care.
That's nice. I always like adding take care. It sounds friendly and caring.
Exactly. It's kindness in 2 words. Now, Helen, let's talk about those mornings when everything goes wrong. You wake up late, no clean socks, no milk, traffic jam outside.
Yes, the I overslept morning.
Right. I overslept means I woke up later than I planned. Example, I overslept today. I'm late for work. Another good phrase is I'm in a hurry. It means you have no time.
Exactly. I'm in a hurry or I'm running late. That's real-life English.
Yes, let's do a funny dialogue for that situation.
Helen, you're late.
I know, I overslept. Don't ask, I couldn't find my keys.
Coffee?
No time. I'm in a hurry.
Okay, good luck. You need it.
Thank you, Helen. I always do.
Perfect. That's the language of real mornings.
Let's share some English phrases to stay calm when the morning is crazy. Take a deep breath. It's okay. I'll manage. Step by step. Better late than never.
Oh, that's a good one. Better late than never.
Yes, it means it's okay to be late. It's better than not doing it at all.
Exactly. English wisdom for busy mornings. Now, let's talk about morning habits that help learning English. Number 1, start the day with English input.
For example, listen to this podcast while you get ready. Or play your favorite English song.
Number 2, read one short quote or sentence in English. Number 3, talk to yourself in English for 1 minute, describe your morning. And number 4, write one short line in a notebook, like, I feel good today.
That's a beautiful habit. Small, but powerful.
Yes, because English is not just study time, it's daily life. When you connect it to your real morning, it becomes natural.
Exactly. Language lives in small moments. You open the window, you can say, it's a beautiful day. You make coffee, say, it smells great.
You put on your shoes, say, I'm ready to go. These small actions become real English.
Now let's move to another part, morning conversations outside the home. Like when you meet a neighbor or buy coffee, you can say, "Good morning. How are you today?"
I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm fine, thank you. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks, you too.
That's a friendly exchange. Quick, polite, natural.
Exactly. You can also use short compliments. I like your jacket. Nice weather today. Great to see you. These are easy ways to connect in English and feel more confident.
What's your personal morning routine like?
Oh, it's simple. I wake up early, stretch, make tea, and write for a few minutes. Then I listen to music or an English podcast.
Nice. Mine is a bit different. I wake up late, check my phone, make coffee, and sit in silence for 10 minutes.
That's meditation, John. Yes, digital meditation.
It's interesting how everyone has their own rhythm, but the English stays the same.
True. And if our listeners want to practice, they can write their own morning routine in English.
Yes. A small exercise, write 5 sentences starting with I. For example, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I make coffee, I read, I go to work.
That's perfect practice. Let's repeat today's main English. Wake up, get up, brush your teeth, wash your face, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, go to work. And add morning feelings, I'm sleepy, I feel good, I'm ready, I'm in a hurry. And morning wishes, good morning, have a nice day, take care.
That's a great summary. Before we finish, one last question for our listeners. What's your morning routine in English? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to read it. And remember, learning English can start every morning, right after good morning.
That's beautiful. If this episode helps you, please click the like button and subscribe to Hello English Podcast. It really supports the show and helps us create more cozy English moments for you.
Yes, and share it with a friend who loves mornings or hates them, because we all need a little English sunshine at the start of the day.
Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful morning wherever you are. And remember, every day starts with a word. Make it kind.
See you next time on Hello English.
Bye-bye.